everyone, I'm Leone at Amberline Ceramics, and today we are going to be exploring repeat pattern and block printing using easy lino techniques by using polystyrene and paint. So first of all, we want to make some little tiles, so we're going to cut our polystyrene into rough squares, around like 5 by 5 centimeters, 7 by 7, but it's completely up to you how big you want them to be. And then we're going to take our pencil and we are going to draw into the polystyrene. We don't want to press too hard because this can rip the polystyrene, so just really gently, if you feel it tugging, remove the pencil and just kind of press it again. You can draw whatever pattern you want to, but for these floral ones I'm taking inspiration from Stoke-on-Trent's pottery heritage of ceramic tiles and using Minton's and Malkin kind of floral patterns. We want to make up a few different patterns just so we can explore around with composition a little bit later on. And just a little reminder, remember that your pattern is going to be reversed, so if you are writing any text, this is going to be a mirror image when you press it down. So once we're happy with our tiles, we're going to paint them with a nice layer of paint. I'm just going for one kind of blue colour here, but you can mix it up a little bit, you can add more colours to it, each tile can be a different colour, it's completely up to you, but once we've done one layer of paint it is quite hard to change the colour pattern. So we paint the tile, we press it down onto the paper and you'll get one really bold print, and then you can print again, but this might come out a little bit like a ghost print, but I quite like it as it adds a little bit of texture and that's absolutely fine. So now that we've got our block prints, we want to explore it a little bit more, push it, add to it, and we're going to class this as a transient art workshop. So the definition of transient art is non-permanent, constantly evolving and process orientated creativity in action. Very long-winded. So what we're going to do, we're going to get some other little bits we found around the house, patterns, receipts, junk mail, and we're going to arrange our tile patterns with this to create little compositions, little repeat patterns. We use a little mount to then frame this, and we've got a lovely little image there, and we just keep pushing, we keep evolving, we keep trying new patterns. You can cut into them, draw into them, move it around. If you're really happy with something, take a photo, because the idea of this is that we're going to keep pushing it forward and keep moving, and it's not going to be a final piece. So take a photo if you're really happy with how it's come out. Thank you so much for joining in. If you enjoyed this, please post some pictures online and tag BArts and myself in it. And if you haven't got the materials at home, you can also do this with our cereal box. So give that a go as well.